guys, NCWQ here, and I have y'all looking at EMSC. Um, Before I do this video though, I wanted to let y'all know that when you leave me comments, yes, I do hold them, and I do post the comments after they are put on the channel. I have done this ever since I started my channel, so I do moderate all comments that go on to my YouTube. Um, I don't like having the nasty comments, so like most people don't. But if I do let them go through, sometimes I don't even respond to them. Anyways, on to EMSC. There was a 5.7 in Rat Island, Aleutian Islands, so we're going to go over that one. We're also going to go over Mid-Indian Ridge earthquake, which was a 5.7. It was 33 kilometers deep. So we're going to look at this one first, and we're going to get our coordinates in here. It was 33 kilometers deep, and I've got EMSC pulled up, so I'm looking at it at the same time as you guys. Whoops. Let me get this thing to come over here. We can see where this one is. This is the Mid-Indian Ridge, which is over here. If we pull back, we can see that this is Boomerang Seamount, and Amsterdam Island is over here. These are two volcanic areas. We'll pull back a little bit more. You can see that there's actually a third one here, which is St. Paul. So this could be another seamount here, but I'm not exactly sure. But we can see where this one's going on. But the closest one is Boomerang Seamount. And this is a submarine volcano. It was an active submarine volcano 18 kilometers northeast of Amsterdam Island. Was first discovered during the bathymetric survey in 1996. It rises to within 600 meters of the ocean surface and has a 2-kilometer wide summit caldera that is 200 meters deep. Rift zones that extend to the southeast and north give it an arcuate shape. A basaltic volcano, it lies along the axis of the South Indian Ridge and marks the site of the Amsterdam St. Paul hotspot. This hotspot may have been the source of the 90 East Ridge submarine volcanoes on the Australian plate prior to its capture by the Southeast Indian Ridge, after which volcanism was restricted to the Antarctic plate. Very short half-life radionuclide dating of fresh volcanic glass samples recovered during 1996 expedition indicate that it had erupted only about 5 months earlier. Water column temperatures anomalies above the seamount suggest the presence of hydrothermal activities within the caldera. In other words, it's still active. So that's kind of interesting. Okay, so we're going to move on to our next earthquake, which was a 5.7. It was 50 kilometers deep. Rat Island, Aleutian Islands. And we're going to get this in, our coordinates in here. And this is where this one occurred. And this is Amchiquita. Wait a minute. Amchitka Island. Rat Islands. Okay, so this is where this earthquake occurred. We can draw back and look, and we can see that there is a volcanic chain through here. We can see that this leads into, I like guessing, Russia this way, and Alaska this way. So this is where our earthquake has occurred at, which is off Rat Islands. And Sesmachoy is here, which is, of course, volcanic. And AVO reported that the low-level eruptive activity on Sesmachoy North Cerebus Cone continued during 22-29 March. Periods of seismic tremor and occasional small explosions were detected daily in seismic and regional infrasound data. Daily minor ash emissions and occasional steam emissions were visible in webcam and satellite images. Clouds sometimes preventing satellite views. So this one was eruptive in March. Okay, so we can see that it's happening up this way, but this one is occurring towards the side of the mount here, which goes down to the seafloor. I don't know if I can do a tilt here, so hang on. Gonna try. There we go. So we can kind of look and see that there is we can't really do it that way, but anyway, we can see that there is a shelf here. Anyways, you guys, just thought I'd do a real quick small update. I hope y'all are doing well. Please be good to yourselves, each other. Much love.